स्वागत है आपका। आइए प्रपोजिशन की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं और इन्हें समझते हैं। 8 on in। I am in London. London is a larger area. I am at home, small area. I am at park. I am at park. This is a small area, so we will use it. I am blank New York. I am a sheep. I am in New York, larger area. I am on a ship, larger public area where we can stand and walk. I am at the shopping mall. Shopping mall is a small area. I am in a taxi, small area. We can stand and sit. I am in the washroom. I am on the flight. I am in the kitchen. I am in a car. I am on a bike. I am at the office. I am blank cafe. I am at cafe. I am question mark Australia. Australia is a larger area, so comments your answer. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and comments.